Government of Assam issue advisory against travel to Mizoram. Good morning viewers, you're watching Karbi Anglong Live morning news video host Bon Kilingpi. And now let's look into the news in detail. A notification issued by the Department of Home and Political Affairs, Assam issued advisory to its citizens against travel to the neighboring state of Mizoram, stating security reasons. This has come after the shooting incident on Monday, which resulted in the death of 6 Assam police personnel. According to the official notification, there have been several cases of violent skirmishes in the border area of Assam and Mizoram, specifically in the 3 districts of Assam, namely Kachar, Karimganj and Hailakandi. The latest skirmish on Monday in the districts of Kachar led to indiscriminate firing on the police personnel as well as civilians on Kachar's side. Even after this incident, certain Mizoram civil society, students and youth organizations are constantly issuing provocative statements against the state of Assam and its people. The government of Assam stated that it has been reliably learned from video footage available with Assam police that many civilians on the Mizoram part are heavily armed with automatic weapons, etc. In view of the above and with the purpose of ensuring safety and security, a travel advisory is hereby issued to all the people of Assam. Accordingly, the citizens of the state have been advised not to travel to Mizoram as any threat to personal safety of people of Assam cannot be accepted. Further, the state government had cautioned its citizens staying in Mizoram should be in utmost caution. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live.
Dikrut sarpo aboha. Nang litum anam jum hekpen chumesen akhanaan long ikji. Ladak nang litum Karbi kitun kedang ateng pensi long ponikji. Kelong jia sona mong laki hantu mehek kangmoy kalangdang hanserang ahan hipi ki phi chatni dumke karlu phag ok ki up phag ok slice fry phag ok ki phi phag ok ki mong lang ok ki up lang ok fry vo ok ki mong vo ok han la penan parta VIP AC room longponengji komania hemjong si birthday party pangri pangdona mai la pen kaprek ga jai megalongta nangji pulote long ikji aprang pen ke pathi ke jia phan 8761940579 lapen 9365239862 along humri lote longponingchi lapen mingchibi ikha ajo ke sangjia par saisetami ingdeng hini asiang deng ingpu poniklo dikrut sarpo aboha adim lake dongmoka Karbi Anglong.
In a tragic incident that happened on Thursday night, one house was completely gutted in 14-mile Debenteron village under Dilai police station. Here is a report. The house that was destroyed in the fire belonged to one Ujjal Saikia, a shopkeeper. The family had lost more than 4 lakhs worth properties along with around 1 lakh cash money in the fire. According to Ujjal, no one was at home when the house caught fire. The whole family was in the shop and they came to know of the incident only on Friday morning. Even the neighbors had no clue on the fire.
Showcase, TV, কাপোৰ কানি বাচন বৰ্তন সকলো আছিলে তাৰপিছত আপোনাৰ মটৰ পানী মটৰ আছিলে কাঁহৰ বাচন বৰ্তন আছিলে 6-7 মান আছিলে চবখিনি ঘৰৰ বস্তুখিনি গোটেইখিনি জ্বলি গ'ল আমাৰ কাপোৰ কানি একোৱে নাই আমাৰ কাপোৰ কানি চবখিনি জ্বলিলে একো বস্তু নাছিলে মানে আমাৰ সেইটো মেলাকেনিক আৰু আমাৰ দোকানৰ বস্তু অনা নিয়া হেৰি কৰা এইবিলাকত জ্বলিলে পইচা পাতি অলপ জ্বলিলে মোক এতিয়া বৰ্তমান একোৱে নাই পইচা পাতি একোৱে নাই হাতত চৰকাৰৰ ফালৰ পৰা এইটো অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ কিবা এটা CM ছাৰক অনুৰোধ কৰিছোঁ কিবা এটা যাতে সহায় কৰে লগতে SSD মিনিষ্টাৰ আৰু কাউন্সিল মিনিষ্টাৰ সকলোকে মই অনুৰোধ জনাইছোঁ মোক যাতে সহায় কৰে আৰু ঘৰতে নাছিলে নেকি আপোনাৰ ঘৰতে নাছিলে নেকি ঘৰতে মই নাছিলোঁ মই দোকানত আছিলোঁ ছোৱালীজনী পঢ়ি আছিলে অনলাইন হেৰি ক্লাছ হৈ আছিলে পঢ়ি হেৰি কৰি আছিল কয়লা এটা জ্বলাই পিনি টেবুলতে থৈ দিলে প্লাষ্টিক টেবুলত আৰু পিছত আহি দেখোন পুৰা জ্বলিয়ে গ'লগৈ
Ujjal told that on Thursday evening his daughter was attending an online class at home. In the absence of electricity, they mistakenly kept a burning mosquito repellent coil on a plastic table and left it there while they went to the shop. Ujjal says that this could be the reason for the fire. The family had lost everything in the fire. They are now facing trouble to run their livelihood. Hence, they have sought assistance from KACCM Tuliram Ronghang, HAD Minister, Jogan Mohan, local MAC and other local leaders. Vijay Rongpi's report from Dilai for Karbi Anglong Live. A much-needed relief for the HSLC 2021 candidates came on Friday as the Secondary Education Board of Assam declared the results. With no examinations were held and marks allotted as part of past performances of the students in the school, the overall pass percentage of the state stood at 93.10. Meanwhile, the hill districts of the state had also scored massive pass percentage, with Dima Hasao registering 85.47, Karbi Anglong 90.47 and West Karbi Anglong coming out with a pass percentage of 92.79. A total of 6,148 students from West Karbi Anglong registered their names for the HSLC 2021, out of which 5,705 have been declared pass. It may be mentioned that 3,358 students were registered from Dima Hasao, of which 2,870 passed, and out of the 12,116 students who filled the examination form from Karbi Anglong, 10,961 have passed. With the result being declared and a good number of students coming out successfully, parents are now worried about getting admission for the children. With the three districts have very less number of colleges and higher secondary schools, it would be tough time for securing a seat in class 11 for those who had scored considerably lower marks. Meanwhile, the results for the higher secondary school leaving certificate examination will be declared today at 9 a.m. News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live. That is all we have for today. Thank you for watching Karbi Anglong Live and have a great day.